Okay. Now let's discuss the ADM phases. The architecture development method, ADM, in TOGAF has several phases. Each phase helps build and manage enterprise architecture step by step. Okay, so before you start construction, we need a clear plan. So TOGAF ADM phases help business develop their architecture step by step. It's just like a city planner follows phases to develop a well-organized city, right? So let's start with the first step, a preliminary phase. This is the preparation phase. The organization gets ready to start by customizing the TOGAF framework and defining rules and principles for how the architecture will be created and managed. So TOGAF in the business customize the framework, define rules, and set principles for their architecture. So without this phase, the business will be like without proper IT structure. Second phase, architecture vision. Phase A, architecture vision. This is the planning phase. Okay. Here, the organization defines the scope of the project, what it will cover, identify stakeholders who is gonna involved. Third, create a clear vision of what the architecture will achieve. Gain approval to move forward. Okay, so now that we have like rules, right, in the first step. So it's the time to create the vision for the business or for the city. So define the business scope or define the city scope, like will it have like residential areas, business zones, parks. We have to define these areas. Second, identify the stakeholders. Who's involved? Government officials, engineers, citizens. Then we're going to set the vision. What do we want, for example, the city look like in 10 years? What's our target in the future? Last thing, like get approval. Make sure all decision makers agree on the plan before the construction starts.